Good morning. This morning we had a power outage. You can tell my generator's running out here in the generator shed. So the power just came back on. I'll take you downstairs and show you an accessory I put on my system that you probably might be interested in. I have a thing called the Briidea power alarm. So when the power comes back on, you hear a chirping sound. And that's this box right here. Okay, so I'm going to shut it off because the power's on. You can tell I got an interlock kit. So I'm going to shut the house off and then restore the power, okay? All right. Then I'm going to put the main back on. And everything's back now. But if it wasn't for the Briidea power return alarm, I wouldn't know when the street power came back on. So I'm going to put a link to that in the description. A few people have bought that. And I'm going to go outside now and shut off my generator so you can take a trip with me out there. And I can put my air conditioning back on and things like that because the AC is just a bit too much to run with the generator. Thanks for coming along. Shut my gas line off. I'll put my pool filter back on. And my salt machine. And it's making chlorine now. And I'll close up the generator shed. Hang on a second. I'll put my pool heater back on. Oh well. That switch has been a little temperamental. Alright, thanks for coming along for the journey. But I'll list the power return alarm in the description of the video. Thanks for watching.